Welcome to the NMCRL Web, the #1 catalog for sourcing defense items, and our series of videos to help you get started. Thank you for using the NMCRL Web, and by that, supporting NATO and its allies armed forces. In this video, we are going to deep dive into the file search functionality, previously known as the batch module. The file search functionality is accessible directly from the home page or from any results lists. In order to run a file search, you will need to upload a file, and this file must be in CSV format, a comma-separated values file. It is a plain text file that contains a list of data. Most spreadsheet programs, such as Microsoft Excel, will allow you to save your file in this format. Here are the requirements for your file. It shall not contain any header. The input file must contain the following data: either a NATO item identification number or NSN only, the same as for metadata, a list of reference numbers, a list of NCAGE codes and reference, a list of NCAGE, a list of INC, or a list of reference number and NCAGE names. Note, if the file contains NCAGEs and NSNs, the system will take the data in the first column only. Now, select your file and upload it. For this example, we're going to load a file containing NATO item identification numbers. The system has recognized that the file was containing NATO item identification numbers and is taking it as the input key. You would click on Display Results to display the information NMCRL associates with your input file. Let's take another example now, and imagine you're loading a file containing item name codes. In this case, the system cannot recognize whether the file is containing INCs or NCAGEs, as both formats contain 5 characters. So you will have to give a hint to the system about the type of data you are uploading. One last example of what would happen should you input a file containing NCAGE and references. Well, in that case, the system will recognize the association and let you proceed. You may access the list of results by clicking on Display Results. Please note that since you are the provider of this data, there is no way for the system to further refine your search. If you would like more information on how to export your results, please refer to the associated video. That covers the file search functionality. Thank you for using the NMCRL and codification services. We will see you in the next videos.